What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. Se le va a explotar el motor al play. We got security out here. We got Target people. What's going on? We got families out here. Security over here. They're trying to like shut down Target right now for the one time. What's up? What's up? What's up? That's right. That's right. Okay, now you're clear. All right, go, go, go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye. Thank you for shopping at Target. We got one cop over here. We got another cop back here. We got a lot of cops and we're dipping. We got like 3-4 cops in the back. Cops pulled up right now in the other location. On the way to the next location right now, but I wanted to show you what Disney fireworks look like right now. Sheesh. Disney's trying to compete with his meats right here. That's hella romantic right now. You know, if I had a baddie right now, I'll be straight clapping it. Shawty wanna dance on. Alright, so what's the hashtag?
Hashtag suck that meat.
Suck that meat. Oh, hey! The stop guy! Yeah, the stop guy's here! Hey, no te hacen caso! They don't listen to you! Nobody's listening! Nobody's listening to us! I don't know why! Nobody's listening to him! Oh! Hey! That's why you have to listen to the stop sign guy! He said slow down, he said slow down. Dude, you were going so wide, bro. What happened to your car? What happened to yours? Nothing. Oh, nothing. We got the cops escorting everybody out. Hey, you good?
Are you guys alright?
You good? Oh, the little boy's scared. These are two girls right here. Dang, god damn. God damn.
Alright.
Sheesh. You gotta slow it down, guys, when you're at the takeovers.
I'm so sorry. It was an accident.
Thank God that the little boy's okay, so I'm glad he's okay. No, I'm just making sure. What's going on with her, though? Alright guys, so we're pulling up to the next location right now. We already got fireworks up here. We're pulling up to the next location right now, guys. People are already burning out and swinging it as we speak. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go! Thank you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hey.
Hey, Bolty Fresh.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Let's go. Oh! Hey, get up. Get up. Oh! I found a chancla. Somebody's chancla came off. I'm trying to return it to the owner.
What's up, dog?
What is this? Hold on. I'm telling you guys, it's Disney out here right now. On ice. Disney on ice. Whoa. The cops coming in. We got a lot of people out here. I'm out, baby. Let's go. active as hell right now. We got the cops coming in. It's just wild. We got the train coming in right now too. More cops coming in right now. Damn, look at all the cars coming. I'm never going to Disney again. This is my favorite Disney right here. It's just wild out here. From here, you see a bunch of fireworks. Look at this. It's crazy out here right now. What's up, bro? What's up? What's cracking? What's cracking? What's up? Sí. Vamos, güey. Mira, güey, puro Disneylandia aquí. Yeah, for sure. Oh, they're getting fancy out here right now with the fireworks. Okay. We got the cops, everybody's dipping right now. Sheesh! God damn! Hold on. And we got the cops that got off on foot right now too. Damn! That's crazy. Let's go. The cops pulled up in deeply, guys. The neighbors are like probably calling. Damn, nigga, go! That lady right there's pissed as hell. Cops are calling for backup right now as we speak. We got all the neighbors coming in. We got the cops. We got the cops on foot. We got more cops over here on this side. They're boxing everybody in right now.
Let's go.
We got all the neighbors out right now. Sheesh, it's crazy out here right now. Tenemos los vecinos para afuera, ¡Eh, muévase, señora! ¡Muévase! 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! That was intense. Tonight is a wild ass night, guys. We're ready for 6, 7 spots already, and it's been just freaking wild right now because I don't even know how to process it. We're at Disney, we're on Disney on Ice, Tomorrowland, Legoland, we're in SeaWorld, we're in everything in one, guys. It's just way too wild right now. Ah, here's the guy with the stop sign. There we go, he's back. Hey, some guy took your spot like three spots ago. He's the original stop sign guy. Alright, go do your job, bro. Let's see if anybody listens. The other stop sign guy failed. Maybe this guy might succeed.
Oh, he's over there. Hey, man.
Oh, there's it. Oh, call him out. Hey, stop sign. Hey, you have competition. Oh, it's about to be a threesome here. tonight, you're thinking in the future. He's from 2030, both of these guys. Right now I'm live. Follow me on my Instagram at King Fresh _I on King. And just give me some hearts, cause like look, everybody likes hearts, everybody's horny right now. I'm trying not to shut it down, guys, but I'm running out of battery right now, but we'll see what happens right now. Spam me some hearts, you see? I love them hearts. Every heart gives me a boner. Remember that, guys. Damn, about to fall out because that's too many hearts. Hey, my YouTube gang. Add me on Instagram, giving away these bad boys if you want some.